In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 websites that pay you for watching video ads and completing simple tasks. So let's start the video. The first website is Vysense. Vysense offers paid surveys from various market research companies. You can complete surveys that match your demographics and earn cash rewards. You can also earn money by completing offers such as signing up for free trials, downloading apps, or completing tasks to earn additional income. Vysense partners with Crowdflower, a crowdsourcing platform, so you can also complete small online tasks provided by Crowdflower and earn money. Moreover, you can earn commissions by inviting your friends and family to join Vysense using your referral link. The second website is PaidWords. Start work on this website by accumulating bonus ad points. The more BAP you have, the higher value ads you will receive. View these ads and earn money. As you accumulate more BAP, higher value ads will be issued to you, allowing you to earn more income. To maximize your earnings, you can invite others to join PaidWords using your referral link. The third website is AdWallet. Create an account on the AdWallet website and complete your profile to provide relevant information. Then AdWallet will show you targeted ads based on your profile. Watch these ads and provide feedback when prompted. Earn cash rewards for watching these targeted ads. The earnings vary depending on the length and value of the ads. And for maximizing your earnings, you can invite friends to join AdWallet using your referral link. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.